Hello and welcome to Brand New Vegan. This is Chuck and today I'm making, some more potatoes. You know what? I was hungry yesterday and I didn't have a whole lot of time and I just kind of threw this together and it was good. It was so easy, so simple, and it tasted amazing. So these are air fryer potatoes O'Brien. Simple ingredients, some potatoes, obviously, a little onion or red bell pepper, and some common seasoning. That's it. And then an air fryer, of course. You could probably do these in a convection oven too. And I got a bowl of cold water. So what we're going to do is we're going to clean our potatoes up and chop them. That's about 3/4 inch size cubes. You can make them smaller, you can make them bigger, but we want to soak those in water. We want to get some of that sticky starch off the outside, kind of wash that off, and let those soak for about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to take our bell pepper, cut it into a fairly good size cube, also about the same size as the potatoes, 3/4 inch to an inch, and do the same thing with our onion. And we're going to put all that in a bowl together while the potatoes are still soaking. You got plenty of time, and we'll get through this part. Like I said, just a rough chop. Now for the seasoning, I got some garlic powder and a little onion powder, and you can mix this up any way you want. There's some paprika. You could do smoked paprika, that might be good. There's some salt and a couple tablespoons of parsley. And we're just going to give that a little whisk, kind of mix it all together. And pretty soon our potatoes will be ready. So let's preheat our air fryer, 375. And we're going to actually preheat it while we're waiting on the potatoes to finish. And we're going to set that for about 20 minutes. This is how we're going to cook our potatoes first. So we get that preheating, we're going to take our potatoes, we're going to drain them and make a mess like I did. Get a towel. And then we're going to dry these. This is going to make them crispy. So dry them the best you can. And then when the air fryer beeps and it's ready, we're going to dump those into our air fryer, just the potatoes, and let them go. Now after 5 minutes or so, I took a spatula and just kind of scraped them off the sides to make sure they're not going to stick. And then when they're done, we're going to dump in our onions and our bell peppers and give that a little stir. And then we're going to dump in our seasoning. Okay, a little shake too. Dump in our seasoning. And then we're going to set this for 390 degrees for anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. And just keep watch. And there you go, potatoes O'Brien. No oil, no fat, just healthy potatoes, onions, bell peppers, and you know what? Some gravy on these would be outstanding. I did ketchup, but you could do salsa, you could do gravy, you could do all kinds of stuff. And of course, if you leave all that out, they are perfectly Mary's Mini compliant too. So there you go. There's the recipe of the week. Air fryer potatoes O'Brien. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure and give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't already. I will put a link for the entire recipe and all the ingredients in the box below. We'll do another one of these next week. So I hope you come back and see what we've got planned. And until then, again, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.